Hey y'all, happy Friday. Today I'm out here. I'm going to try to do the project for a fall lit tree that I watched Laura do on Garden Answer. She used some limbs she cut down from just a tree in her yard. Some limbs she cut down from a tree in her yard. Some leaves, like from the dollar stores where I got them. I have 3 or 4 packages of these. Brown floral tape. A couple of different kinds of moss. Fairy lights. And scissors. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's, oh, and a glue, you need a glue gun to glue the leaves on. I'll show her inspiration pic. I'll put it up on the screen. But the first thing I did was I went and I tried to find tree limbs. Now apparently it's easier for her to find tree limbs than it is someone who lives in an area where there's a lot of pine trees. I do have a lot of oak trees and other kinds of trees, but it was still not that easy to find something that would look cute with some leaves glued onto it. So anyway, I'm gonna get started and we're gonna see if this project is as easy as Laura claims it was. The leaves off. Not sure what to do with it now. So I need another limb. I'm going to go see if I can find one. For the record, this isn't as easy as she makes it look. Maybe if I had done a practice one first. not gonna lie, it almost seems silly to strip off leaves that are gonna turn brown to replace it with leaves that are fake. And there's someone out there that's gonna say something about it. Still trying to figure this configuration out. Okay, so I've come up with a configuration that I think will work on my porch. I have zip tied them together. Now I am going to wrap fairy lights around it. Almost an hour into wrapping this lights around here. Probably over an hour. I'm still not done and it's getting dark. So I'm going to finish these lights and tomorrow I will pick up where I left off. Okay, I finally got it all covered with the fairy lights. And now I am wrapping the trunk with the brown tape. So the next part of this project is taking the leaves and gluing them to each of the limbs. Make random colors. I'm doing this at night because I had my granddaughter here and I couldn't do it while she was here. So I'm gonna randomly hot glue these leaves all over here. And then I'll show you what that looks like. I only have it propped up with rocks And I'm gonna fill this with different moss and put some bags in here to take up some more room. You'll notice I didn't wrap this with the brown floral tape because I didn't like the way it dulled the lights. I like the brighter lights. Here it is at night with my porch light turned off. This is what it looks like. I did not have enough lights to go on every branch. Might come back later and fix that. And here it is with my porch light on. And I'll get it in the daylight tomorrow before I post this video. And this is how it looks during the day. As you can see, I doubled up on some leaves, and some are just single leaves. There's the moss at the bottom. Threw in a couple of pumpkins. You can see here where I put the brown tape. And there's the lights. So let me know in the comments how you think I did from Laura's inspiration. It definitely was not as easy as she makes it look, but it's a doable project. It took me 3 days because I didn't have time to just sit and work on it. I think it turned out pretty cute. So thank you guys for watching. And if you guys try this project, let me know.